the floor today is
Elmo.
Elmo? Okay, we'll pretend the floor is Elmo. Now, we don't want to hurt Elmo because he's nice, right? So we don't want to touch the floor because if we touch the floor, we're going to step on Elmo. So we're going to stay on the dots. And we're going to keep our hands on our hips because we don't want to hit Elmo with our hands, right? We're going to take a big step to the next dot. We don't want to hurt Elmo, so we're going to make sure we stay on the dots. Yeah. Okay, get out that super glue, Ava.
That is the fan.
Yeah, that is. You were right. Go ahead, Ava, on the
I
dot.
didn't know what the fan was.
Oh, I didn't? Now I know. Thank you. Big step. Good. Stay on the dots. Don't hurt Elmo. Good. Go ahead, Kate. Go ahead, Kate. On the dot. Big step. Good. Very quiet. Go ahead, Caroline. Hands on our hips. Good. Stay on the dot. Good. Very nice. We stayed all the way across.
Not real Elmo.
No, but we're pretending, right? We're going to stay on the dot again one more time, but this time we're going to do our jump. So we're going to keep those feet together. Oh, yeah, you can be the leader. We're going to keep those feet together. We're going to jump to the next dot. Jump. Jump. Should I go super fast? Should I go super fast? No, we're going to just do one slow jump because then we'll stay on the dots, right? If we go super fast, we're going to fall off the dots and then we hurt Elmo. Are you ready? Elmo will not like that. Here we go. Hands on our hips. Go ahead, Caroline, on the dot. Big jump. Good. Oops, big jump. Good. Big jump. Good. Big jump. Good. Okay, Kate. Good. Keep going. Big jump. Oh, you okay? Big jumps. Good.